Hi, Jade Greene, 732-768-2709. They told me that it was ridiculous to feel that I couldn't go back to the stage or screen as a middle-aged woman. They told me that I was an artiste, not just some actor whose career depended on youth. But I knew in my heart that the legend of Alexandra del Lago couldn't be separated from the appearance of youth. There's no more knowledge more valuable than knowing the right time to go. I knew it. I left at the right time. Retired. To what? To where? To that dead planet, the moon. You know, there's really no place else to retire to from an art, because I really was an artist, you know. So I retired to the moon. But the moon's atmosphere has no oxygen, and so I became breathless on that withered, withering planet of time after time, not meant to come after. And so I discovered, haven't you fixed it yet? I discovered this.